Hi everyone, it's Thea and Mama!
Look me on the heart and I'm break broken. It won't happen. It's love that leads to the grace. The seal always thinking you would be real.
I have a very special guest this week and it is my Mama.
I'm Mary Rose Ann M. Benedictos Dash Loreto. I'm a dentist. I've been practicing since 85. That long.
Huwag na i-compute. Ayan. So today we're going to do some sutures. We're going to do a simple running suture and we will let you guys decide kung sino yung mas maganda mag-suture.
Well, contest pala.
She's a dentist. She's been practicing for like ilang years na, and I'm a beginner. So, alam naman kung sino panalo. Anyway, so she will be using her instruments, I'll be using mine. And this is what we're going to suture on. So guys, nag-post ako sa description box dun sa suture kit na nabili ko. It's a business of two medical students and I hope you guys check them out. Nandun sa description box yung link ng store nila sa Instagram. Thank you! So, let the games begin! Tanungin natin siya ng mga life lessons niya nung college siya.
Wala yung kodigo ko.
Sorry. May kodigo siya.
Wala yung kodigo ko. Pero
So, syempre pina-prepare ko siya. Pero sige ma, ano mga life lessons niyo nung college ko niyo?
Okay, life lessons, sabi niya sa akin, I have to prepare 5 life lessons.
She loves number 5.
Okay, and then, so I thought of a word that will describe everything. So, naisip ko, school. Kasi college, it's school. So, it sucks actually. So, S-U-C-K-S. Sucks.
Oh God!
Message, practical side of it is, because you're in school, you study, right? So, that's the S.
Oh!
So, when you study hard. Okay?
Baseballs.
Sabi nga nila, work hard. And then, you play later.
Denied.
You do not underestimate your capacity to learn, to do things. And
Hindi niyo kinaya yun.
whatever. Okay? The third one is be consistent.
Run.
Okay? So, just do your thing. If you are consistently tamad, then be tamad. If you are consistently masipag, then be masipag. If you are consistently an honor student, do so. Maintain it. If you are consistently sip to the professor, no problem. Kick ass! Kick ass! Kick ass! If you underestimate yourself, that means you don't see your strength. But if you kick ass, you're aggressive, right? S. That means, what's the other one? What's the S? I forgot the S. It's, huh?
Sleep.
No! I have to get my notebook. Teka lang.
Kinuha niya na yung kodigo niya.
So, this is my notebook. Okay. So, ayun na nga. So, you kick ass. So, at the end of the day, you get some slack naman. You relax. Because
Sa inyo, sleep
you
rin.
deserve that. Now, because 5 lang yon, may kulang. So, the other one is prayer. Communion, a spiritual communion with a higher being. It doesn't mean you have to be religious, you have to be Catholic or whatever. It just means you have to have time to meditate, to retrospect, retreat, and be calm. That's it. So you energize yourself with school really sucks. Bye-bye!
So she will do her sutures now. At chichikahin ko na lang kayo.
Okay, this is my style.
Yeah, go. Nag-aaral siya sa school. Pinag-aaralan ko ngayon. Pero hindi ko sinasabi ko ano yun. Pero yun. Sinabi kasi dati doon pa yung dentistry, diba?
Oo. Masaya doon. Kasi yung kabilang building, yung kiniklaim niya na auditorial
Yung JMC.
Yung 6th floor kasi nun is cadaver room namin. So, hindi ka pwedeng sumandal sa elevator kasi ang sumasandal doon is mga cadaver. So, lahat kami palagi na lang palagi kaming hindi kami makagalaw when we are inside the elevator. So, ang ginagawa na namin, we take the stairs.
Shout out kay Roy na laging nasanda sa elevator na yun. Hey! Kwento niyo yung binaksinate ko kayo.
Ayun. Siya, masaya kasi sabi ko, ikaw na kasi binaksinate ko siya, tapos in-inject ko siya ng vaccine, tapos si Lola rin. Tapos sabi ko, anak, sino mag-i-inject sa akin? Mama, kayo na lang. Mama, kayo na lang. Mama, kayo na lang. Kasi natatakot ako. So, sabi ko, nak, sige na please, ikaw na lang. Paano mo malalaman kung hindi ka mag-ano ngayon? So, ayun. In other words, nag-ano naman siya na, sige mama, ako na lang. Ganun siya. Di ayun, na-inject na naman. Walang sakit! Talaga, super smooth.
Wow!
No bleeding at all.
By the way, ito yung ginamit ni Mama na instrument. Ano to, Ma?
Needle holder.
Needle holder.
We do it
Ang
like
weird,
this.
no?
We do it like this. Instead of this one, diba? Yung sa inyo, diba? You do like this. Ayan.
Sa third up.
Ito, yan. So,
Pero nagamit ko siya.
hindi mo na ilalagay yung ano mo kasi sayang din yung grip. So that's it.
Yay! Tapos na si Mama! I will post the pictures later.
Okay. Put it out here. Doing it here.
Ako naman.
Okay.
Ako naman! Ano po ang reactions yung nag-start siya ng vlog?
I'm vlog. Okay lang naman mag-start ng vlog. Sa akin lang, siyempre all the negative. There can be negatives, negative comments. There can be positive comments. So, is she ready for it? Okay, sabi niya, ready naman daw siya. What can you do?
Kasi naman dun sa dad.
So, sa ngayon po, naka-transfuse na po ng 3 bags dun sa patient. Hey! Na-save naman ng patient. Oh my God.
I'm so bad. Ang pangit. Ang pangit. Napapakita ko na sa inyo kung ano yung nangyari. And yung sa akin yung mas maliit. Magpo-post ako ng picture sa Instagram tapos papakita ko sa kanila kung that's that's it for today's episode of Come Suture With Us and Medness With Thea.